Welcome back everybody. Today we are completing the exercise 7.5 question number 1. So the question number 1 states that the curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeter, base diameter 16 centimeter is. So we are given with a cone, we are given with the height and the base diameter. So since height and base diameter are given, so what do? We just draw a cone. Okay, height is 15 centimeter, radius d by 2, that is 16 by 2, 8 centimeter. CSA of cone is pi RL. To find L, we use R and H in Pythagoras. So L square is equals to R square plus H square. So R square is 18 square, H square is 15 square. So 64 plus 225 becomes 289. So when we find square root of it, it becomes L is equals to 17 centimeter. Therefore CSA of the cone is pi into 8 into 17, that is 136 pi centimeter square, and the option given for it is D. Now we are coming to next question. If two solid hemispheres of same base radius r units are joined together along their bases, then curved surface area of this new solid is. So we are given with the two hemisphere of radius r are joined. So the CSA of new solid we have to find. If we add two hemisphere, it becomes a sphere. Okay, just think about it. And then if we add these two hemisphere, it becomes a complete sphere, and CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square units, and therefore option given for it is A. Now the question number 3. The height of a right circular cone whose radius is 5 cm, slant height is 13, what will be? So what will be the height of the given cone? So as we know, cone has a right circular triangle. It formed from right circular triangle. So the height of a right circular cone whose radius is 5, slant height is 13. So we just use Pythagoras and find this. Okay, we are given with R, H and L. So R is equals to 5, H is not known, L is equals to 13. We substitute in Pythagoras. So L square equal to R square plus H square. So L square is 13 square plus 5 square plus H square. So 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25 plus H square. So 25 goes to that side of equal to, it becomes 169 minus 25, 144. 144 is the square of 12. So H is equals to 12 centimeter. Hence therefore, if the radius of the base of a cylinder is half, keeping the same height, so height is same and the radius is halved, the ratio of volume of the cylinder obtained by volume of original cylinder. So as you can see, if it is a cylinder, it has a radius, it has a height. So radius equal to r unit, height equal to h unit. So volume of A is equals to pi r square h. So if we half it, it becomes pi r by 2 the whole square into h. So pi r square into h by 4. So when we find the ratio of it, it becomes volume of B by volume of A. It is pi r square into h by 4 by pi r square. So pi r square h can be cancelled. It becomes 1 by 4, and therefore it becomes 1:4. The option for this is B. Next, question number 5. The total surface area of cylinder whose radius is 1 by 3 of its height. We need to find the total surface area. The total surface area of the cylinder whose radius is 1 by 3 of its height. So what we have to do, we have to find the TSA of cylinder, 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So we are given r is equals to 1 by 3 h units and h equal to h units. Therefore we know that TSA of cylinder, so radius is 1 by 3 of height. So 2 pi will be as it is. Radius is 1 by 3 of height, that is h by 3. So h plus h by 3. So 3h plus h, that is 4h by 3. So 2 pi into 4h square by 9 square units. Hence therefore the option for this is C. Next, question number 6. So as we come to question number 6, it is given in a hollow cylinder, the sum of the external and internal radius are 14 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. If the height is 20 centimeter, then the volume of given material is. So we are given with the option, and everywhere it is double zero together, but there is some problem in the answer. So let us see. So we are given with, this is a cylinder, it has an inner radius that is small r, outer radius that is capital R. The capital R is equal to small r plus w, and r plus r equal to 14, because with this total sum of both the radius is 14. So r plus w is equal to capital R, so r plus w is equal to r, hence therefore r plus 4 equal to r, so 4 equal to capital R minus small r. So we are already given with r plus r. So volume of hollow cylinder, we know the formula, pi r square minus r square into h. So we separate them, r plus r and r minus r. So r plus r is 14, which is already given, and we found out the value of r minus r, which is 4. So 4 into 14 into 20 becomes 1120 pi centimeter square, and the option given for this is option B. Okay, so please subscribe the channel for regular updates, and if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.